So बच्चे we are going to start unit number 6 and the name of 6.1 is social responsibility of business. We have to talk about today the social responsibilities which a business has to perform. Social responsibility refers to the obligation of business towards various parties of society. Various parties includes towards honor. The obligation of business towards honor is to earn maximum profits, and obligation of business towards employees is to give them proper salary, good working environment, and proper obligation of business towards consumer is to provide them good quality products at reasonable prices. The obligation of business towards government is to deal fairly, do not indulge in environment pollution and other malpractices of trade. So obligation of business towards suppliers, that they should pay them on time, and obligation of business towards competitors, there should be a healthy competition among them. So these will be discussed in detail later in this chapter. So what is the obligation of business towards various parties? It is called social responsibility towards society. These are all the pillars of society. Whatever obligations we are having for the society, that is our social responsibility. Social responsibility of business means the responsibility of business towards customers, workers, shareholders, and the community in all. This is the definition given by International Seminar, New Delhi 1955. According to International Seminar, New Delhi 1955, the social responsibility of business means the responsibility of the business towards its customers, workers, shareholders, community, employees, etc. Everyone, towards everyone, they are having some obligation that is known as social responsibility. Now, there are three cases for social responsibility. This was the meaning of social responsibility of business towards society. Business is a part of society. Business is a part of society. Since business organizations are a part of society, they must have a positive attitude towards the needs of society. Business is only a subsystem of society, and this subsystem must contribute to the welfare of main system. Therefore, the decision taken by the manager should take into consideration the welfare of not only his organization but also the welfare of other subsystems, means other parts of the society. Whenever you are taking any decision as a businessman, you have to consider about the not only about the owners, about the employees, consumers, government, suppliers, competitors. You have to think about everyone because you are also a part of society. You are taking manpower from in the form of employees from society. You are purchasing raw material from suppliers. You are selling your goods to consumers. You are fulfilling the rules of government. So for everyone, these all are the part of society, and for everyone you are responsible because you are a part of society. Then avoidance of government regulations. If business does not take care of the social responsibility, the government has to interfere increasingly in the business system, which adversely affects the progress of the business. Therefore, the manager should give priority to the social responsibility of business to avoid excessive government interference. If you want to avoid government interference in your business, you should fulfill the social responsibility. If you will indulge yourself in activities like environment pollution. Government has strict rules regarding the environment pollution. If your factory is near any river and you are throwing the waste of your factory in that river is getting polluted day by day. So this you should avoid. If you don't want that government interfere in your business, then you should avoid indulging yourself in malpractices. You have to follow the rules and regulations of the government. Then third case last, long-term self-interest of the business. Long-term self-interest of the business. If you want that your business should work for so long, you should pay attention on your employees. You should provide good products at reasonable price to your consumers. You should provide proper supply of money to the suppliers. If you are purchasing on credit and you are not paying on time, they will not support you in future. You should deal with them fairly. And if you are dealing fairly with the society, you are fulfilling all the you are following all the rules and regulations of the government, then what will happen? It will give you long survival in the society. If you are fulfilling every social responsibility, you are avoiding the government interference, then itself your business will flourish. It is in the self interest of the business. If you are fulfilling social responsibility, it will give you long survival. Growth, you if you want to see the growth of your business, that for that you have to follow the social responsibility obligation. You have to fulfill it. The social responsibility of business, if taken care of in the present, ensure that success of the organization in future. If at present you are uh, fulfilling all the social responsibilities, then in future your organization will see a growth. These are the points in favor of social responsibility of business. These are the points in favor of social responsibility of the business. Social responsibility means the obligation of business towards the various sections of the society, towards honor, employees, consumers, government, supplier, and competitors. And a few points in the favor of social responsibility is that business is a part of society, so it has to fulfill all the social obligations, and to avoid government interfere in your business, you have to fulfill the social responsibilities, and for the long survival of your business you have to fulfill the social responsibility. Now bache, there are three points against the social responsibility obligation. There are certain cases against. Some people think that this is not necessary. Just have a look on their viewpoint also. Case against the social responsibility. First, contrary to the objective of business. Those people who are in the not in the favor of social responsibility, they are against the social responsibility of business. What they are saying, now we have to study that. Contrary to the objectives of business. Now what they are saying, just as the primary objective of player is to playground in the playground is to achieve victory, like a player wants to achieve the victory, in the same way the chief objective of the business is to enhance its profits only. On the other hand, in social and business circles, a manager is given recognition only because his ability to earn maximum profit. They are saying that profit should be considered most of all. No social responsibility should be considered. Why? We are providing good products at reasonable prices. If we are really providing good product, we can charge higher also, because we are working for profits. They are in the favor of earning profits, more profits. Inefficiency in the system. Inefficiency in the system. There is no power other than self-interest which can get work out of people. If people are really self-motivated, then they will work hard and you will get the success. If owners of the business, by ignoring self-interest, start thinking about social responsibility, the whole work system will turn inefficient. They are thinking that it comes from within the person and they do not want to do anything for society, they will earn for themselves. Last is bache, effect of business values. Effect of business values. Business should not have any social responsibility, otherwise, social values will come to be dominated by business values, which in itself is a painful dilemma. It means that when business is alive to its social responsibility, the people in the beginning will be so thoroughly impressed by it that in future business will come to occupy a position of predominance. In such a situation, it can ignore society and make efforts to earn undue profits. Naturally, bache, if profits you are considering more about profits, you will never think about the society.